Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a new update on WhatsApp that allows you to create polls in your group chats using the PC app. It's a fantastic feature that can help you gather opinions quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp application on your PC and select the group where you want to create your poll. This makes it easy to engage with everyone at once. Next, look to the bottom of your chat window and click on the paperclip icon. This is where you'll find all the options for sharing. Now, keep an eye out for the poll icon that looks like a bar chart. Click on that to start creating your poll. Now it's time to fill in your poll question. In the question field, type out what you want to ask. Make it clear and concise to ensure everyone understands what they're voting on. After that, it's time to add your vote options. You can include multiple answers in the options field, giving your group plenty of choices to pick from. Once you have everything set up and ready to go, look for the send icon. Clicking that will officially create your poll and send it to the group chat. And there you have it. Creating a poll on WhatsApp using the PC app is quick and simple. This feature is a great way to make sure everyone's voice is heard without the hassle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Happy polling!